Next, the distance of a point P x comma y from the origin O 0 comma 0 is. Okay, we know the formula. Distance between any two points is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here, these are x is the x1, y is the y1, x2, y2. Okay, root of x2 is 0 minus x1 is x whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is y whole square, which is equal to 0 minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square, which is equal to minus x whole square is x square minus y whole square is y square. Okay, this is the distance of a point P from the origin OP equal to root of x square plus y square. Okay, let's discuss some examples. Find the distance between the following pairs of a points. First one 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. Here x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 is 1. Okay, apply formula. Distance between any two points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square. Root of 4 minus 2, 2 square 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square, which is equal to 2 square is 4 minus 2 square is 4. Root 8. Root 8, write it as 2 into root 2. Okay, next points are minus 5 comma 7 and minus 3 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3. Here x1 is minus 5, y1 is 7, x2 is minus 1, y2 is 3. Okay, apply formula. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, x2 is minus 1 minus x1 minus of minus 5. Okay, x2 minus 1 minus x1 is minus 5 whole square plus y2 is 3, y1 is 7 minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 whole square 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. Okay, minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 4 square is minus 4 square. 4 square is 16 minus 4 square is 16, which is equal to 16 plus 16, 32. Root of 32, write it as 4, 16 2s are 32. Okay, which is equal to 4 into root 2. Okay, next points are a comma b and minus a comma minus b. Here x1 is a, y1 is b, x2 is minus a, y2 is minus b. Apply formula. Distance between any two points is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, x2 is minus a, x1 is a whole square plus y2 is minus b, y1 is plus b whole square. See, minus a, minus 2a whole square, minus b, minus 2b whole square. Okay, minus 2a whole square is 4a square, minus 2b whole square is 4b square. Here root of 4 is common, a square plus b square, which is equal to root of 4, this value equal to 2 into square root of a square plus b square. Okay, answer is 2 into root of a square plus b square.